In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept Klarna payments on your Shopify store so customers can pay later or split payments into installments. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, click on Settings located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, select Payments to open your store's payment settings. Inside the Payment section, click Add Payment Method or Add Provider depending on your Shopify setup. Now use the search bar and type Klarna. When Klarna appears in the list of payment providers, click on it to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Klarna account or create one if you don't already have an account. During setup, Shopify may ask for business details, banking information, and verification details to activate Klarna payments properly. After completing the setup, save your changes and Klarna will become available as a payment option during checkout for eligible customers. You can also customize Klarna settings directly from your Shopify Payments section to manage installment options and payment preferences. Offering Klarna on Shopify can help improve conversions, increase average order value, and give customers more flexibility while shopping. Thanks for watching.